Hi mga dear, welcome to the second episode of Dating Myself Until Someone Dates Me. And today, we're here sa airport. Bakit? Okay, so we're here in our solo date destination. And our solo date destination is Disneyland! Nagbook kasi ako ng Star City pero fully booked na daw kaya dito na lang ako. Check. It's actually my first time here in Disneyland. So I'm so excited to meet that organic encounter. Thank you. Oh my God! Hello, organic encounter po. Organic encounter. Check. Myself an ice cream kasi sobrang init dito. Oh my God. Dear, look at the castle. Mamaya meron dyang fireworks in 3, 2, 1. Check. Oh my God! I'm into my second ride. Still no organic encounter yet. Ano yun? Nasi ko ng high school. Oh my God, I think my nephew gonna like this. Should I buy this one? Big Nature's here! Wait, I think this is my third ride already. Oh my God! We're fourth ride. Oh my God. Pew, pew, pew ba? Ano ba yung babarilin? I think this is my fifth ride and wala na pa akong bosses. Okay, that was fun. Again, I don't have voice anymore. Okay, we're going to the one of the most scary ride here, which is the Grizzly Gouge. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. What am I doing here? Because sakit na lalamunan. I ate. Okay, that was fun. Oh my God!
Magic makes music
Okay, uwi na ako. Bye-bye.